I don't know whether you like to hear this or not, but anyway, I'm just gonna tell you. My message today is to the young men listening right now. Life is hard, challenges are many, and sometimes it feels like the world is against you. But I want you to hear this clearly. Don't give up. You may not have the money you want. You may not have the job you pray for. You may not even have people who believe in you. But as long as you are breathing, there is hope. Every great man you see today, leader, business people, a strong father, one started as a young man who was struggling, who was doubt, who was even laughed at, but they refused to quit. When life pushes you down, stand up again. When people tell you that you cannot make it, prove them wrong by working harder. When you feel empty inside, remember that your story is not finished yet. Don't let pain stop you. Don't let it build you. Don't let failure end you. Let it teach you. Don't let fear control you. Let courage rise inside you. You are stronger than you think. You are wiser than you know. You have a purpose that this world is waiting for. So, young men, hear me today. Do not give up. Your struggle today will become your strength tomorrow. Your tear today will become your testimony tomorrow. Keep moving, keep believing, keep fighting because your best days are still ahead of you.